Hello guys, Slugton here with you guys today on the Slugton Reacts Plus More channel. And the reason why I'm making a video like this real quick, I will be switching over to my PC in a minute, but I had to say this right now, why it is just news to me right now. So if you guys know, I've had problems with updating my Money Squad Only Up map, okay? They keep saying that the lobby image is not authentic. I have no idea how that image is not authentic. I do not know how it is not authentic, okay? It does not make sense, and they will not tell you what is wrong with the image. They need to tell you exactly what is wrong, what part of the image do they not think is part of it that is not authentic. If it's the whole entire image, I know for sure my whole image is authentic, because for one, I took a screenshot from inside the game. That's automatically, I'm pretty sure, authentic if it is literally the game itself. Then I went ahead and put my logo on it because I edited it and wanted to make my brand on it. You know what I mean? Apparently right now they're saying that it's not authentic, and I don't understand how. Okay, I have no idea how, don't know why, but it's saying for the lobby image specifically that it is not authentic. So you guys know that I went ahead and contacted support the other night. I only tried twice because I didn't want to try the third time to get in trouble or anything. I wanted to know what was wrong with the image. So I'm going to show you guys screenshots of the conversation that I had with them. I basically asked, and I don't know if you can understand out of what I wrote, but anyhow, I basically asked what part of it is not authentic, and I need to know what it is so that I can fix it. Okay, so he said or she, I don't know, whoever it was that looked over it. They said, okay, I'm going to look over it for you and we'll get back to you. I said, okay. They got back to me and they wanted more information, so I gave them more information. Then they left. Then I'm at work, alright, just took my break, and I get an email saying that my map was rejected. I never asked for another submission, you know what I mean? Never submitted another map update to go through. You know what I'm talking about? Like, I never clicked the button asking for it to go through. So I was like, huh? What do you mean it's not authentic? I mean, like, it's rejected. Huh? That make no sense. Because I know that the map was already fine, and I didn't want it to be looked through like that. I didn't want it to get re-uploaded. You know what I'm talking about? Like, fully re-uploaded, because I didn't click the button. All I wanted to know what was really wrong with the image, and how that they could help me more so that I could fix it, maybe redo the whole entire image, which will take a long time to do, and all of that. No, instead they just went ahead and did that, and then they sent me another message on the support group saying, hey, I have given you a citation, but basically saying that it's given me a strike, and that my that my map cannot be played on Fortnite right now, and that I have risk of losing my monetization for all of my maps permanently. I don't understand. They need to fix this stuff. They need to actually tell the creator what is wrong with the image. It's not authentic. That is not enough. What is wrong with the image? Because obviously I have two sets of images for this, alright? One of them, I was like, okay, so I updated the map, and I did not change the lobby background. I did not change anything. I thought, well, maybe I'll change that in a future update. I wanted this update to be secret because I added something that I didn't say I was going to add to the map. Alright, next thing you know, they sent me the first one. I was like, okay, well, it says something about the lobby image not being authentic, even though I never changed it. So I was like, well, that's weird. I never changed it to begin with, so it should be already authentic enough to post. So I went ahead and I just redid all the images. Took me about an hour and a half because I wanted to perfect it. I wanted to make sure it looked good in my opinion. And I did some trial and error stuff. I don't have those pictures no more because I deleted them because I didn't like them. But anyhow, if I find one, I'll have my editor put it up here now for you, but I don't think I got any. But anyhow, I went ahead and I got the final images done, right? Took me about 2 hours and a half, somewhere right there, to do them all, and so that I knew they looked right, they fit the sizes, and all that other fun stuff. So I went ahead and tried to upload it. The second time it failed. It said this time it was the thumbnail and the lobby background. So I appealed that one. I appealed both of them at that time as well, actually. They came back to me and they still said it was failed, but this time it was just the lobby background that was wrong. The thumbnail was correct. So I said, okay, what is still wrong with the lobby background? I didn't want to go ahead and try to make a whole nother one to send up to post again. So what I did was I contacted support, and you guys know the story from there. Like I said, next time somebody asks for help and what is actually wrong with the image, Epic Games, give them the reason. Because I have no idea what was wrong with the map. I understand that if it says something about other maps, like for an example, it was Money Squad only up. Okay, I could understand that you're trying to say that I'm not authentic because I used the words only up and it was an only up map. No, I made it my own. I completely did the whole map myself, and I did not copy the other maps. The only thing that I guess you could consider this copied is literally the timer and going up. I mean, like, just going up. But if you're going to say something like that, then you got to look at all the other maps that way too. Alright, so now that I've switched over to my computer, okay, like I said, you guys have read everything, and technically you're going to be seeing spoilers now if the map actually gets uploaded after this. Sadly. But I have to show you guys, so, Epic, like I said, you need to fix your game badly. Anyhow, that is, you know, what was going on and all that, but like I said, it didn't have a problem with the thumbnail, it didn't have a problem with that. No, I mean, it did at first, but then after I submitted the appeal, they only are saying the lobby background. Now, I have a theory, which is what my mom was saying, unless it's because I didn't put Money Squad only up in the lobby background thing there. That could be why, which I think if that's the reason, why didn't they tell me? It's still where Epic Games, this is what you need to do. Tell the creator what part of the images are not authentic. You can't just say the whole image is not authentic, because all of a sudden somebody could take a picture that is not a part of their map at all, post it on top of that, and put like a little pieces of the map over on the side. I guess that part could have been non-authentic. How is the whole map not authentic when it came straight from the map, like the picture? How? I don't know, but I'm going to show you guys right now of what, where I took the screenshot. So, imagine the camera wasn't there. I took the screenshot from here all the way down to here. Well, yeah, from here all the way down to here. Alright, took the screenshot, edited it, made it look good, put my logo over in the corner. Bada bing, bada boom, you got that image right there that my editor just showed up right there. But, you know, apparently that is not authentic. Apparently this map here doesn't have this here. I mean, apparently this is just, you know, nothing. Maybe I should go way back here, go to the, like, floor here, so that you still look like you're on the ground. So that was what my initial thought was, like, it's gonna be a lobby background. I don't want to make it to where they're, like, on the ground when they're in lobby. Make it to where you're on the ground, okay? Maybe I do something like this. On the ground here in the lobby, you know, you're looking up. Oh my god, there you go. You got some pieces of the only up right along with it. Take that screenshot. Boom. There you go, guys. I have a new, oh, that's not going to work. That doesn't look good. I don't think that looks good. Okay, I thought maybe up here, and I know it probably didn't look fantastic either, but maybe like, oh, this, there you go. That looks like the actual image. There you go, but that's a little better. Anyhow, I thought this was going to look good, you know. Make it look like the characters could be standing right here on the concrete, maybe some on the grass over here, you know. And people power up behind. Oh, well, they power up behind, you know. The lobby, it looks alright. That's good enough image for the lobby. Now, my initial thought for the actual thumbnail was I was going to come all the way over here, get in the sky, and you look down, and you can see, like, the whole entire only up from, like, this point of view. See, you can see down here. Oh, what did I click on? Whoopsie. Anyhow, what you can see from down here, and you see like you got the start down there. You get up on here, climb all this. You can barely see that because it's no longer in render distance. So you go all the way up to the top. You can still see the blimp, all that. You see the ramp, all that. But you know that's what my original thought was for the thumbnail. Floating. Why? I know why mine is floating. It's because it's an only up. I mean, it's supposed to be like an only up. I mean, like, come on. That is why it is floating. You know, I don't see why it was not like that. And the thing is, I didn't even ask them to try to republish it. You know, I only asked if they could just look over it
over the images, tell me what's wrong with these images, how these are not, authentic. Maybe I can fix it. Maybe, like I said, go back here, do like a whole different image. I mean, it's technically a whole different image. I mean, like, this image would work. It looks like they're standing on the grass. You can see all that. That would have worked. But no. Instead, they just went ahead and automatically shut down the whole thing, said that my whole map was not worth it, pretty much. I spent hours on making the thumbnails. I spent hours, days, months on making the map. But apparently, I faked it. Apparently. I'm a fraud, apparently. It's basically what they're telling me, that I'm a liar, that I just went out of my way and just did this for nothing. For absolutely nothing. And that I'm at risk for losing my monetization for all my maps up and coming and already out. Why? Just tell me why, Epic Games. Just why? I just want to know why this is not authentic. What's wrong with the image? What do I need to change? Basically, that's all I was asking. The guy responds, he tells me this, tells me that, he says he's going to look over it, wants more information, I give him more information. Then next thing you know, he says that I'm just going to go ahead and drop a closeout on the map. You're getting a citation. Basically saying that I'm getting a strike. That's what they're calling a strike as a thing. For breaking community guidelines and that they want to keep the community safe and fun for everyone. How is this? How? Tell me in that image where it is not safe for everyone. I don't get it. If it was something about that, they should take down all the others. Not gonna lie, Epic Games, you make no sense. Like I said, I could understand. It is came from a website. I looked up only up images, and oh, that's a great only up image. Uploaded it. Next thing you know, it gets taken down because it was a faked image. It's not authentic. I understand that. Good job, Epic Games. You actually did your job that time. But no, what happened was I took an in-game screenshot of the game, legit screenshot of the game, and added my logo to the bottom right corner. And next thing you know, it is shut down for not authentic. What I was trying to go for in that image was where somebody would be in the lobby, fancy lobby background, somebody's in the lobby just chilling, and it looks like you're sitting on this down. It looks like you're just sitting right in front of it, standing right in front of it. Like, what is wrong with that? I don't see what is wrong with that. Like, Epic Games, tell me, what is wrong with that? Like, I really don't see the problem. I really don't. And like I said, I showed this image to hundreds of people and asked their opinions on it too, and they all said the same thing. There is nothing wrong with that at all. You see, I'm not claiming this as mine. I'm not. I'm claiming as the way it is built as mine. Like, literally. Like, seriously. This map, this here is not supposed to be floating. This is supposed to be on the ground. Technically everything in here is not supposed to be floating. It's supposed to be on the ground. I placed this specifically here for a reason. I placed this here for a reason. This and this. I placed everything for a reason. So why is it not authentic? It really doesn't make any sense to me. At all. At all, chat. Like, come on, guys. I could understand if you want to side with Epic Games a little bit on some points, but the main point is it was not stolen. It was 100% authentic. I made it myself. There is no reason for it to be taken down. I think if they're watching this video right now, and you guys go ahead and hit the like button, share this video to Epic Games, ping Epic Games in the comments, ping Epic Games in Twitter, ping Epic Games everywhere, and get them to notice this, because this is not right. And I know this has happened in the past with the Pit problem, but that was because he was sitting there and actually claiming that that name, The Pit, is his property. Okay, I could understand that. That was different. Still, that guy should never been out there doing that. That just ruined a whole lot of maps, whole lot of fun, and that just put his map at risk for being not wanting to be played anymore. But what is going on here is Epic Games system, moderation system, not actually paying attention, not actually giving out reasons. Like, I could understand, I have to redo the whole image. Okay, Epic Games, but just in case I want to use that same background, you know what I mean? And just, like, maybe add words or something, take something off of it. For an example, maybe delete the butterflies out of the picture, delete the trees there out of the picture, just have that there, just have it sitting there, making it look a little better. Maybe I want to get rid of the stars, have like a Sloughton type of background in the background or something, that's something that I was thinking about doing. But you know, if the whole image is non-authentic, then I can't do that. But since I don't understand what is not authentic about the image at all, when every single piece of the images that I have submitted for like the thumbnail, the square photo for people to scroll on, you know, regular they got this creative website that's on there that's run by Epic Games that you can scroll and it has a square picture of it, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? Like for the phones and stuff. It's all using this here. It's all using this. All of them. And they're all good, but the background, the lobby background with no Money Squad only up in the front of it and it just has the little picture in the bottom, it's all of a sudden not authentic. I really don't understand. Does not make sense, and they need to specify what is not authentic about the photo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to not add a lobby background this time. I'm going to publish it. It's going to have everything else on it. Not going to publish it with lobby background. And if I do decide to, I'll put Money Squad only up as the lobby background. You know what I mean? Like, I'll put the words. If that's all they needed was just the words to be put in front of it, all they had to do was say something. Not, we're shutting down your map because it does not authentic. You did not make it. You're a fake. Blah, blah, blah. What? You don't make sense, Epic Games. There is no other game that looks exactly like this. If there is, they copied me because I made this first. At least as far as I know, I made this first. If I have to, I could go back into where it shows when I uploaded it, like my very first update from when I uploaded it to the very last update as of right now. And I have a feeling if that person did the same thing, mine would be the older version because I did make this first. That's the only thing I have to say. Epic Games better fix it. Better get a handle on their moderation team. Better make sure they ain't screwing people up because that sucks. That is stupid. There's no reason for that to happen. Alright, like and subscribe. Hit the share button. Spread this channel. Spread this video. And I'll see you guys next one. Money Squad for life. Stay awesome, everyone. And I will keep you posted on the main channel with community community post updates if anything else happens.